How to put music on Facebook bio. This is going to be the same for the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android as it is on the Facebook website on your computers. So the first thing you want to do is go to your profile. So click the bottom right hand corner where you see your profile picture. Somehow get to your profile. Once you're there, you want to scroll down to the section where it says About. You want to click on the About section if you're not already on it. Then you'll want to scroll down a little bit until you see Music. Click Add on the right hand side of the music section down there. And then you can go ahead and type in whichever music you'd like to add to your profile. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in Stay here. You can do more than one if you want to. So all you have to do is click on them and then it will be added to your profile. And then so you can do multiple. So for this example here I'll do 3. Then when you go on to your profile, you can click on the 3 little dots, you can pin them to your profile, and you can also delete them from there. So leave a like on the video if they helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.